Okay, everybody, let's go on a convertible ride. Hi, Paul is loving it, right? Baby is loving it. So here we are in front of the Aqualand, right? And we will now go on the convertible ride, right? Check this out, Angel. Right. Whoa, let's go. Hey, brother. I'm switching to 3, 2, 1. Hey. 3, 2, 1. Hey. Yeah, and now we have to get out of here somehow. Okay, yeah, well. Whoa. Check out this guy. He also has convertible. Okay. I think we have to go to the right. We got it. Okay, John. Second try. Then we can go on a highway, be back home very, very quickly. Oh. So now we are leaving the Aqualand Moravia, right? Angel, we had a great time, right? Wow, we can see there. And now we will go back. Angel, how are the convertible ride? Yeah. So great, right? So we had a great time and now we will go back home. Hello everybody, and here we are going on a super convertible ride, right? Yeah. Yeah, which will take us where? Angel, tell us. Exactly, right? So here you can see we will be going home, and behind us, Angel, you can show behind, you can see the Jan's castle, right? Like this way. Yeah, you should be able to see it, right? So it's a very scenic road, right? Okay. Now here we will go through a village. And now we will go to the home, right? And this time we will show you how the roof will go down, right? What do you think? Yeah, you can see, right? The scenery here. Almost there. What do you think, Angel? Yeah. And here, check out the acceleration. Oh wow, look at this! Right. Over 100. Pretty good. Now we are approaching our wedding place, right, Ali? Maybe we can go from there, right?
No, it's close.
Yeah. Okay, it's here. This is our wedding place, right, Ali? What do you think about it?
Yeah, it's closed now.
It's closed, right?
Yeah, no more.
Yeah, so let's hope they will reopen it. What do you think, Angel?
Hope so.
Right. It's quite nice, and yeah. So we are just entering the village here. Angel, how was your trip?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Go this way. Yeah, here through the train station. Yeah, and we are almost there on a nice convertible ride. Especially the evening is very, very good, right? Yeah. So here, ain't nobody there. Sunshine is back. Right. We are of course very thirsty, right? After playing in the water for a long time. Yeah. And now you guys will see the very nice approach. Anybody there, Angel?
No.
It's so cool. And we are here. Right. Alright. Oh, that was tough. Right. So you can see the typical approach here, right? Lots of nice houses, as you can see, right? Always with a swimming pool. And this is our home, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's park here. And Angel Amy can then take it and we will put down the roof, right? What do you think? Okay, Angel, you can go outside.
I can go outside. Yes.
Yeah, okay, I'll help you. So it's very cool, right?
Yeah.
And here you can see nice scenery. Okay, Jenny. We will put down the roof now. Okay, are you ready? So it's very important to make sure that your car doesn't get dirty. So you can put down the roof. Wow! It must look so good, right? You think?
Very close.
Yeah, was it a good ride?
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now let's drink and refresh.